Wonder Woman is coming this way. Please welcome in Sound Action.
First, pump up a black balloon. Start with a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, an 8 cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Now let's work on the head. Now pump up a blush 350, or if you don't have one, you can use a 260. Make an 8 cm bubble. Cut off the excess bits. And tie the head onto the hair. Using the remaining bits of the hair, make an 8 cm bubble and bring it across the other side. Now a 3 cm bubble and a 6 cm bubble to create the hair parting. With the remaining end, make another 3 cm bubble and then cut off the excess. Pump up a gold balloon to create the headband. First tie it on one side of the hair, make an 8 cm bubble and bring it across the other side. Tie a knot and cut off the excess. Now to create the body, pump up a red balloon and a blue balloon. Tie the blue balloon on one side of the head and the red balloon on the other side. Squeeze out the air in both and bring it to the bottom of the head. Using the red balloon, make 2 6 cm bubbles and bend it over itself to create the body. Now once again, squeeze out the air in both of the balloons and twist them to form the waist. Using the blue balloon, make 4 pinch twists to make the skirt. Cut off the remaining bits of the blue balloon and tie a knot. Cut off the remaining bits for the red balloon as well. Save the remaining red balloon for the shoes later. Using a blush 260 balloon, Make a 6 centimeter bubble, slide it above the skirt and bring it down. Make another 6 centimeter bubble on the other side and tie a knot. Cut off the excess and now you have 2 legs. Using the red balloon from just then, start off with a pinch twist, a loop twist, a 2 centimeter bubble in the middle as a spacer, a pinch twist, and another loop twist. And you can cut off the excess as well. Tie each of the legs onto the corresponding shoe. For the arms, use a blush 160 balloon, or you can use a 260 if you don't have one. Make a 14 centimeter bubble. Split it in half. And slide it under the head. Now the twisting part is done, let's get onto the drawing. Start with a red marker, draw a star on the headband. Use a black marker to draw the eyebrows, the eyes, and mouth. Use a pink to give her some blush, a blue marker to fill out the eyes, and some lipstick as well. Using the white paint marker to give it some details, and then trace out the red star with a black marker. And now you're all done.
Whoa, I have a Wonder Woman balloon. I think I want to put it here. If you like my channel, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye.